How to fix WhatsApp message backup stuck problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you can fix WhatsApp message backup stuck problem. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump back into it. So to fix your WhatsApp message backup stuck problem, you will need to try some basic steps, like restarting your device. Press your volume up button and your power button together, and you'll find the restart option. Tap on restart to restart your device. After that, some of temporary glitches will just go away, and also you might have to check your internet connection. So check for your internet connection, try switching between your mobile data and your Wi-Fi, whichever works the best, you can choose that. And if that does not work, you might have to clear out your WhatsApp cache. Head over to your settings. On your settings, search for apps. On your apps, head over to WhatsApp. Then go to storage and cache. Then simply tap on clear cache. After you've cleared your cache, make sure that your app is up to date to the latest version. So after that, what you might want to do is check your device and cloud storage. Whichever cloud you're using, make sure that you have enough storage for your WhatsApp backup. Also check your device storage, and after you do that, make sure that you have enough storage for the backup. And that should basically fix your problem. If that does not fix the problem, if you have enough space and you've done everything that we have listed, then you might have to reinstall the app. So delete the app and reinstall it and your problem will be fixed. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.